Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have the Singles Swag Petite box. So Singles Swag is a lifestyle subscription. You can get bath products, makeup and beauty products, you can get accessories, jewelry, beanie hats, all kinds of different stuff. You never know what you're gonna get, and that makes life a little interesting, right? So I'm finishing up this subscription. I think I do a year of the Petite. I probably will not resubscribe immediately because I want to open up some space for some new stuff on the channel. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about the pricing. Now, if you get the full Single Swag box, it is $39.99 a month. It's guaranteed to be over a $200 value. You receive 7 to 8 full-size products every month. If you subscribe to 12 months, you would pay $399.99 up front. That equals it out to about $33.34 a month for a total of $80 savings. If you want to get the Petite like I get, it's $24.99 a month. You receive 4 to 5 full-size products that are valued at $120 or more dollars. If you want to do the 12-month, you would pay $269.99 up front. That's $22.50 a month, which is a total of $30 savings. Like I said, that's what I do. Now, I have an affiliate link that is like a sales lady link. It just gives me credit for the sale. But this is what I recommend. There's also a referral link down there that will get you $15 off your box. So use the affiliate link, get you the $15 off. It's still gonna, I think it still helps me out by giving me discounts through the website. I don't know which way it turns out better for me, but I want what's better for you. So anyway, I just put it down there just so you know. Let's open up the box. So here is the box. I was gonna say this month's box, but I honestly don't know if it's this month's or not. We're gonna find out. I'm so confused. This is September 2022, so yes, it is this month's box. Yay, I'm on time. The last box I opened was not this month's, it was actually last month's, and they had sent it late. Information on my products. It says there is a retail value of $154 in this box. Now, I do think they inflate their prices a little bit on some things. That's my personal opinion. I don't know for sure. Let's just open. 5 products. I've gotten this one before. This is a cleanser. This is SW Cleansing Bar. It almost looks like it's gotten wet. See that? But it smells really good. It's strawberry and poppy seed natural skin bar. Oh, so good. I've actually gotten this a few times before. I don't know if it was in this particular box, but I know it has graced my door a few times, this particular product. So this is drbotanicals strawberry and poppy seed natural cleansing bar. It's a $14 value. This is not just an ordinary soap. This all-natural cleansing bar was made to simply clean, hydrate, and gently exfoliate the body and hands. Black poppy seed acts as a natural exfoliator and buffs away dead skin cells to reveal fresh, smooth skin. Moisture-loving glycerin hydrates the body, and we think breathing in the scent of juicy strawberries is the perfect way to wake up. I love strawberries with a little sugar on them. Anyway, okay, next we have Able Skincare London. This is anti-aging retexturing and resurfacing duo moisturizer, $86 value. This is a full size, $86 value. There's 1.69 fluid ounces in here. Whew. Formulated with skincare drone the most advanced delivery system for active ingredients. This revolutionary resurfacing cream infused with shea butter and cottonseed oil helps retexture skin and smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I bet it's sealed. It is. All right, we'll open it anyway, because I have no self-control. Actually, I need to make sure I put it on this hand because I have a serum on that hand. Nice scent, slight floral, not much. Or maybe it's the shea butter. I don't know, I like it though. I like it. It feels nice. It went away very nice. Like, you're not gonna have a residue film. I can see why people might pay extra for it. It felt really good. You can't really tell the difference, but like I said, I have a serum on that one. Very neat. Curious to try this out for a lengthy period of time. Dime Beauty Immune Boost. Roll on chest, throat, feet, and behind each ear. Okay. Let me get Immunity Boost Roll-On Essential Oil, a value of $24. Engineered with a dramatic blend of naturally powerful ingredients including eucalyptus leaf oil, clove flower oil, and lemon peel oil, creating a sweet and uplifting aroma. Use the easy to apply roll on your chest, throat, feet, wrist areas behind your ears. Vegan and cruelty free. Apply as often as you desire. So it's supposed to boost your immune system. I know that, you know, aromatherapy can do amazing things, but I just haven't figured out how it really boosts your immune system. Well, let's try it out. Well, I'm not feeling good. It's the best time to try it, right? Let's see. I do love some eucalyptus. I smell the clove with the lemon. I can smell everything in it. Put some more here. Let's just draw. Whee! I didn't put it all the way, just a little. Maybe more than I thought. Look at that line. I need the extra boost. I ain't putting it on my feet though. Nope, not on my feet. Not right now. I don't know. It's weird. It's a me thing. It's like, if I'm gonna put it, I'll put it on my hands and then I'll put it on my feet, but I'm not touching the roller to my feet. Like I'm a dirty person or something. I don't know. I know. I'm silly. I know it didn't tell me to put it on my temples, but sometimes I will do that with aromatherapy type roll-on things if it's not something that's going to irritate my eyes, because for some reason it helps. It's like when you put the menthol stuff on and you put something under your nose because that's where you're breathing it in. I don't know. Anyway, that's neat. That is very neat. Okay, snack. And what is this? Ooh, open is what it is. Gen 3 Black Trinket Dish. Blake. Not black. I really should put my glasses on. Blake Trinket Dish with lid. It is a $28 value. Feels like terracotta. And it's kind of cute. It feels very rusticy, which I like actually a lot. This would be great for, you know, you come home, you want to take your rings off, your jewelry off. There you go. My husband asked me the other day what to do with bowls like this. So, but very cute. And they're also great just for decor. Very cute. Let's see what it says about it. This textured accent piece is both decorative and functional. It will look great in any room on its own or filled with anything from your favorite jewelry pieces to candy. That won't fit enough candy in there for me. I need a bigger candy bowl. Alright, next we have the snack, which is Kind. This is an almond and coconut bar. If you watch my snack videos, which I happened to film the one yesterday, you'll understand why I'm laughing. So if you hadn't seen any of them, go check them out. They are Universal Yums, and I'll put a link above. Kind almond and coconut nut bars are an uplifting combination of whole almonds and coconut bound in honey. These award-winning snacks have a low glycemic index and are made without genetically engineered ingredients. Perfect for eating on the go whenever you want, whatever you want. Y'all, I'm not going to try this on camera because I'm going on a road trip tomorrow, so I need the snack for tomorrow. Is that horrible? I love almonds. I love coconuts. My husband does not love coconuts. But yeah, I'm actually going to put this in my purse and probably eat it on the road tomorrow. And that way I won't have to stop and get snacks. That's brilliant. Perfect. So I got the snack bar, the cute little terracotta container. I got the soap with the strawberry and poppy seed. I got the moisturizer, which I actually like a lot. I mean, you can even tell, you know, it's not, you don't feel it on your skin. You just feel that your skin is softer. You feel the effects of it, not the product. I like that. And the Dime eucalyptus clove lemon aromatherapy. That's the word I was procrastinating saying. But yeah, I smell a little more of a, it was like at first it was more eucalyptus and clove all at one, and now it's settled into a very nice smelling, just hint of the spice of clove. I actually kind of like it. So this is probably going to go in my purse too. And that way I can just roll it on while I'm out and about, or, you know, because most of the time when I feel like I need a boost is when I'm out. So y'all, tell me what you think. Do you like this box? Do you think it was worth the price? Sometimes I struggle with if it's worth the price or not, because I mean, I got an $86 product, they say. I'm gonna look it up and see if it's really worth $86. They say it's $154 worth of products, and I pay, what did I pay? Since I got the 12-month, I pay $22.50 a month. So I don't know. I mean, I think it's worth it. It's fun getting it. Even, you know, I like this box a lot better than some of the other ones I've gotten. I'll put it that way. Some of them I feel like are better than the others, and I actually think this one was pretty good, because this makes a great gift even if I don't want to use it, which I think I've still got one in there that I haven't used yet. This I will definitely use. This I'll use. This I'll eat tomorrow. And this also would make a good gift if I don't want to use it, but I probably will find a spot for it because it's cute. And if not, I know my bestie will steal it because it's pink. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. I would really appreciate it if you would go below and press all those YouTube buttons. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribing to my channel is free, so I really would appreciate it if you would press that red subscribe button, turn it gray, and make it say subscribed. Then go tell your friends about it. Press that share button. Let everybody else know about the channel too. And if you would like to tip your creator, there are 2 different ways to do that now. You can do the super thanks, which is through YouTube, or you can go to Buy Me a Coffee. That link is below. Either way, you can tip me, and I really appreciate it. All proceeds are gonna go to doing the studio room, which hopefully I will have done in the next, you know, 5 or so years, maybe. Y'all, have a wonderful day, and God bless.